for the second EMYNOS workshop. Last year we had the first workshop in Crete, in Greece, where we started, let's say, or provided a forum for discussing, let's say, some architectural aspects of next generation imaging services. The second workshop that occurs today will be discussing more, let's say, the results of the project, because the project is at the end. And we are happy to have, let's say, more than 60 attendees from industry, research and public sector.
EMYNOS is focusing on next generation emergency communication. The main idea is to utilize technology standards and that exist in order to support next generation emergency communication with video, audio, real-time text, and we have some advanced scenarios that are haptic devices, sensor data, and providing ability to automated call, warning systems, etc. EMYNOS provides, compared to other technologies that are there, it's a web browser based call that does not need an application, and this is good, saying that the technology is on your laptop, you just need to utilize it and make an emergency call to the end users.
Because we have a hackathon event. In this event, we want to demonstrate the technical progress of our project. We had several scenarios today in this hackathon event to demonstrate and show. The first scenario was about demonstrating our solution, our way of implementing next generation emergency calls, which consists in building a platform that utilizes WebRTC compliant browsers for making emergency calls. And besides that, also a lean phone client, which is enhanced in order to support total conversation. Also, besides that, we have another scenario that is to show the integration of our system with current legacy systems. When we say current legacy systems, and to be more precise, we demonstrate today by using Austrian Red Cross PSAP. There are systems that they do not support the total conversation. In other words, they don't support usually video and real-time text, using, of course, IP technology. And we managed to demonstrate today and to show that we were able to enhance these legacy systems with this new functionality.
The project EMYNOS is finalizing on February, and we have some good successful scenarios that we will show in two pilots, one in ARC on 20 December and one in Romania with STSnet